Today on Uncovered, we'll explore the rise of SpaceX. It is the biggest initial public offering in history, but the journey to the stars was not easy. Let us look at how this company changed space travel forever. SpaceX is the most famous private aerospace company on the planet. They build massive rockets, launch thousands of internet satellites, and have the ultimate goal of sending humans to Mars. Recently, they made headlines by completing the largest stock offering ever, raising billions of dollars in a single day. But how did a small startup with almost no funding become a $2 trillion giant? Today, we are tracing the incredible timeline of SpaceX, from its risky early days to its current status as a global powerhouse, and looking at the people, machines, and big bets that made that rise possible. SpaceX stands for Space Exploration Technologies Corporation. It is a private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company. Unlike traditional space agencies that are run by governments, SpaceX is a private business. That means they design, build, and test their own rockets using their own money and engineers. Their main goal has always been to reduce the cost of space transportation. By making space travel cheaper and more reliable, they hope to eventually make it possible for people to live on other planets. In other words, they are trying to turn spaceflight from a once-in-a-generation event into something that can happen again and again. Imagine trying to build your own car from scratch, but instead of driving it down the street, you have to launch it into orbit at thousands of miles per hour. That is exactly what SpaceX set out to do. For decades, only massive governments had the resources to build rockets. Space travel was incredibly expensive because rockets were thrown away after just one use. SpaceX wanted to change the rules of the game by building machines that could be flown over and over again, with every launch teaching the next one how to go farther and come back safely. The story begins when the company was founded with a tiny chance of success. In the early days, many experts thought a private space startup would fail completely, but the team kept pushing forward, and soon they developed the Falcon rockets to reach orbit. These early launches proved that a private business could successfully send cargo into space. Then came their biggest breakthrough. They mastered landing and reusing rocket boosters. Instead of letting the expensive rocket parts crash into the ocean, they programmed them to fly backward and land safely on robotic drone ships, changing the industry forever and turning one giant risk into a reusable system. With their rockets flying regularly, the company expanded into global satellite internet. They launched thousands of small satellites to beam high-speed internet to remote areas all over the world. This massive network brought in new revenue and proved their technology worked on a global scale. Finally, they just completed the largest stock offering ever. By selling shares to the public, they raised billions of dollars to fund their future missions. From a risky startup to a massive public company, SpaceX completely changed the aerospace industry by making space travel reusable and much more affordable, while also building a communications network that can reach places where cables cannot. This timeline is incredibly important because it proved that private companies could achieve things that only governments used to do. Before SpaceX, the idea of a reusable rocket seemed like science fiction. Today, it is a normal part of the aerospace industry. Their success has inspired a whole new generation of engineers, scientists, and dreamers to look up at the stars. It showed the world that with enough determination and clever engineering, even the most impossible-sounding ideas can become a reality, and that bold experiments can change what people believe is possible. If you want to learn more about the future of space travel, the best place to start is by watching a live rocket launch. SpaceX streams their missions online, so you can actually watch the countdown, the liftoff, and the incredible booster landings in real time. You can also visit NASA's official website to read about how government astronauts train to fly on these private spacecraft. Seeing a launch happen live is the perfect way to understand just how powerful these machines really are, because one dramatic flight can explain years of engineering work in just a few minutes. Quick check. Here is my question. Which is the name of the famous reusable rockets developed by SpaceX to reach Earth's orbit? The Falcon. SpaceX grew from a tiny startup into a massive aerospace giant by mastering reusable rockets and expanding into global internet. Next time you look up at the night sky and see a satellite moving among the stars, remember the incredible engineering that put it there. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new Uncovered. That's the story behind how SpaceX made history. Stay curious, stay kind.